My friends, welcome back to 200 3D CAD models in FreeCAD series. Today I will be working on exercise 51. Let's go ahead with our calibration. I want to take this longest dimension available on this face and then make it half transparent. And for now, let's keep it on XY. Actually, I want to make it on XZ plane because I want to start working on the front view of this. Now that I'm focusing on the front view, this does not match with our 3D object. On the 3D object, it says there is a groove that goes through it. I don't see on front, and also the thickness of this half circle doesn't match. Even more so, this half circular hole is on the front side. Looks like it's a full circle. Well, in conclusion, this 3D object does not belong here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this top view, front view, and side view to build 3D object. So let's not focus on this object at all. With that, I am going to relocate my image to match with the center of the object, which is at one of the corners that I want to start with. Let me take that axis cross away and start building my sketch on XY plane. I'm sorry. I'll be building this sketch on XZ plane. That's where the image is at. And it will be a rectangular area, right? And then comes a half circle. Placing M on the polyline helps. And then want to come. Okay. So I'll have to correct it. This one will be horizontal. All right, and there will be a circular hole at this face. This radius is 25 divided by 2, and this radius is 25. Okay, this is height 30. This length is 50, and that concludes everything. It is a fully constrained sketch, and I want to extrude that for 15 millimeter. I want to extrude that for 15 millimeter. I want to rename that as wall 1. Alright, now I want to take help from the top view. I'm going to go ahead and place this on XY plane again. And I want to relocate the object to match with the location on the top view. So let me go ahead. Now between these two, I obviously want to relocate the image, not the object. Not the object I just built. So that way the axis cross remains same compared with respect to the wall that I just built. So let's make sure there it is there. Alrighty. Now what I want to do, so the other side of the wall, I'm guessing it will be the same, but I'll have to reorient that. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a clone, right? And rename that to wall 2. And then transform it. So let's go ahead and rotate it there. And I want to keep it right there for now. Okay. Now I can go through this placement and see how to move things. So on the X side, we'll go 100 millimeter, right? And on the Y side, it will move. So the center axis cross is right here, and I want to move it 30 millimeter. take this object, and on the Y, let's move it. Okay, so that is going to be on the other side. So negative 30. Okay. All right, and that's actually fits perfectly. The only one thing left to do is the base, which is, we can see from this side view, it's a plain pad. I don't see any indentation in here, so what I will do is I will build a pad XY plane, and I will just build a rectangle. I could go with a cube since I'm in the hard design. So this is going to be 30, and that length, I don't think I got that one. So let me go ahead and turn on the section view. Now this length would be 100. That constrains everything. Now I want to pull that sketch up by, so this is going to be 15. 13 minus 15 is 15. All right, that looks like the object that I was going for based on all the three views. I'm gonna go ahead and make it a fusion and say final object. I am pretty sure that's the object that these three views will build, and that 3D object does not belong here. I'm gonna go ahead and refine it and call it a day. I hope you liked this process. Thank you for watching. I will see you in exercise 52.